Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to reset Vivo X60 Pro. Power off the mobile device by holding down the power key for a few seconds. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Release all keys when fast boot mode appears on the screen. Navigate to recovery mode using the volume up button and confirm by pressing the power key. Select clear data and then choose clear all data by tapping on the screen. Tap OK and enter your password if prompted. Return to the recovery menu by pressing the return button. Choose restart and confirm the action. Wait for the hard reset operation to complete, which might take a few seconds. Once the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.